Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your debt collection agency. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't even heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and I'm going to search for my market, debt collection agency. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our debt collection agency so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your debt collection agency is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Awesome. Look at that. Marcy Sites has literally generated a simple website for my debt collection agency in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images that you'd like to showcase on your website, you want to make one or two amendments to that content, you can do that. It's super simple. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the multi-site service works and how simple it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and click on update section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. Excellent. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box to show email on my site. There it is over there next to my phone number, which is click to call. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my address, my physical location. Awesome. Address has been updated, displayed at the top left hand corner. When your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's go ahead and head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your debt collection agency is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website and you don't have to have a huge budget for it. For that, some of them are actually free to use. My logo has been uploaded. However, I want to crop it ever so slightly so it fits into that section a little bit better. You do have the option to add filters, frames, decorate it, rotate, zoom, flip it, etc. I'm now going to go ahead and re-upload that. Let's go ahead and click on save. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as it is. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your debt collection agency. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your logo, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to just click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and that is really great. Let's take a look at one or two more. That looks pretty, goes really well with my branding. I'm pretty spoiled for choice here. I like all of the colors, but I think I'm going to go ahead and go back to this one over here. Awesome. I can change it at a later stage as well. Let's head on over to update image. Now over here you can browse your device and upload your own images if need be. Otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely royalty free and free to use. Multi-sites will automatically search for debt collection agency, but I do recommend you play around with the terms a little bit just to find a suitable image if you are using the library. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here for now. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Let's check it out. That looks really great. Heading over to update contents. Over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. Maybe you just wanted to say get directions. Let's go ahead and choose our link. We can link to another website. Maybe you offer an online booking system to book a first consultation. You can link to another part of your MyCSAS website if need be, or an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and select directions. You can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option. Maybe more details about your company in PDF format. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your business, how it came to be, how you got into the debt collection agency business, maybe a little bit more details of the different team running the show at your business, perhaps a team photo over here. Go ahead and tell us a little bit more about your story. Your customers would love to hear it. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail of the different services you offer. Do you offer first party claims or collections, early stage collections, third party collections like the late stage? Do you have a nationwide recovery services? How many years have you been in the business? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom where your customers can easily get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their details, message, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in this client dashboard, your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your debt collection agency, click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel as well as a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head on over to our website, click on blog. You'll also find some fantastic tips and advice for marketing your small business online. As a small business owner, I recommend you check out our blog. So much valuable information here on marketing and advertising your business. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here is your Mighty dashboard. This is where you'll find the leads via that form I've just shown you on the bottom of your website. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your debt collection agency. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link and give it a go.